Hello and welcome again. Today it's another unboxing. I'm a bit late into the game, but of course, since I am buying my own gadgets, I need to have the budget for them. And today's unboxing is the Garmin Fenix 8 in Spark Orange, Titanium Spark Orange. I just bought it now from Metcoms, which is the Garmin Malta main retailer. Some specifications about the Fenix 8. I bought the 47mm one because the 51 is a bit big for my small wrist, and honestly I have so many watches at this stage that if I'm doing something very long, I could always opt for something else like the Sunto. So the Garmin Fenix 8, it's in Spark Orange, the Titanium Spark Orange. The screen size is 1.4, the case size is 47mm, battery life up to 16 days, 7 days always on, 16 days gesture based. All satellite systems and multiband 35 hours, 28 hours with always on. With music it's up to 10 hours, assuming with the gesture mode. Max battery GPS 81 hours, expedition is 17 days. And most of these, it's assumed that you're using them with set IQ. Okay, it has all the other features, all the other stuff like any other Garmin, including maps, etc. However, we will see whether it's worth spending that amount of money on a Garmin. I bought it with a club discount. Okay, so I paid around €800 for it, and still it's a bit expensive, and I think however the price is a little bit more competitive than the retail price of the actual watch. It looks gorgeous, to be honest. It doesn't feel that heavy and it doesn't feel that bulky compared to the 51mm. I will set it up and then I will do a much more detailed review later on when I have opportunity and when I will give it some good testing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or any features that you want me to check, do not hesitate to drop a message and I will actually write them down, or I will try to include them in next filming. See you.